Welcome to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've made a video, but now I'm back, and with these new videos it will show you the new spa or training center, the Wellness Training Academy, that you can come and actually learn CEU classes, your continuing education units. Because every year or every 2 years, depending on your state, we all have to renew our license every year or 2 years at a certain CEU level. It could be 12 CEUs, it could be 24 CEUs, it could be even 32, which I think is coming down the road in the future. So you need to actually have a training center besides going online, which is no problem. Going online is great. If you have to renew your license at all costs. I don't care what you have to do to renew. That's a good way. But most of us who want to get a promotion, who want to advance in our workspace or have our own business, open up your own spa, or actually even get that interview, because most interviews nowadays, they want hands-on training. That's why even after the verbal interview, now you have to do the practical interview. And when you have a practical interview, yes, if you don't know what you're doing, yeah, that instructor or whoever you're massaging knows that you don't know what you're doing, and you won't get hired at that wonderful medi spa or destination spa or cruise ship or even airliners. Some airlines now have, yes, working massage therapists on an airline, like the Emirates Airlines or Saudi Airlines. I think British Airways is looking to something like that, where because the planes are so big, they can actually put a massage table or two on that plane and people get a massage while they're flying. Isn't that crazy? But it's nice. So to get that type of job, yes, you have to be highly skilled. And so that's why at the Wellness Training Academy, you can come and learn all of these classes at a spa setting and really know what these machines do. Laser machines. If I wanted to learn LED treatments and photofacial and E-matrix, IPL, all that good stuff, I need to have some above the rest or next level training. Without that type of training, how do you expect to get those jobs? So your school has prepared you just a little bit, but now that you're on your own, yes, you need higher training. And I do mean higher, and that's like sort of how high school is. Then you need to take college courses or at least go into the military. Those are the only two that's going to give you that type of training, college and military, after high school. Because after high school, what else are you going to do? Where else can you work besides McDonald's or Chick-fil-A or auto parts stores, delivering parts, something crazy? So you need advanced training. It's the same thing for our industry, for aesthetics and massage therapy. Even if you're a yoga instructor, personal trainer, wellness coach, or a life coach, spiritual healer, energy worker, whatever you are, or an aficionado of skincare or massage therapy, you still need to take training classes that can actually elevate your career or your business. Because everybody's going to want to look at your wall and say, hey, what did you accomplish? Like, why do I want to come to your business? What certificates do you have? What CEUs do you have? So even if you're a nurse, doctor, chiropractor, physical therapist, those PTs, you can still take these classes as well. These units are transferable. So at the school, you're going to learn so much. And I welcome you to the Wellness Training Academy. And so on this channel, it's mainly for people who are wellness practitioners. If you're somebody who are just watching the video just because it's a pretty girl in the video or it's a handsome guy in the video, then this channel might not be for you. I have no problem with you watching the video, but it's mainly for professionals or someone who wants to become a skincare professional, a massage therapist. So it's more professional based for this channel for those type of viewers. So if you get offended by one of my comments and I have to put you in your place, it's just because this might not be for you. You know, it's a training channel only. It's not a rated X channel like some of you want it to be. Oh, why don't you show more? That I can't. It's YouTube. Come on. So there's plenty of other X-rated channels or websites you can go on with no problem and get what you want. But for here, it's mainly for professionals who want to succeed in the aesthetics and massage therapy business. So I hope you guys enjoy the Wellness Training Academy. We have 2 locations. One is in Sterling, Virginia, The next is in Baltimore County, which is Catonsville, and so right near BWI Airport. Those two locations, I kind of made it convenient so people don't have to travel so far, even if you live close to me. I'm in the middle, and so I can separate both of the locations so it's convenient for you guys to come. And as far as these CEU classes can be a fortune. We all know this. We all know even if you're a realtor, realtors have to take CEUs, continuing education units. If you're a doctor, nurse, lawyer, doesn't matter, football, a coach, everybody has to take some sort of training to keep up their license. If you're a professional school teacher, board of education leader, or whoever you are, yes, you still have to take more classes. And when you're taking those classes, they can be very, very expensive. So with these classes, they're very affordable. It's not going to break the bank. And I'm not asking you to actually put money aside just to take a course and you know you need that money. So with that in mind, you can have the pay-as-you-go program. So the pay-as-you-go program is just a program that actually cuts your bill in half. So say at the highest class that I teach is about $300. And that $300 course is a train-the-trainer course. So if you want to become a continuing education provider, that course is $300. That course you would split in half. That would be $150. So all you would pay through the pay-as-you-go program would be $150, and then we would set up a payment plan after that. So every 2 weeks you would pay $50 until the debt is settled. So that's only 3 more payments. So it makes it easier for you to afford the classes. Now let's face it, these CEU classes nowadays, yes, for craniosacral, Thai massage, lomi, anything that's oncology massage, myoskeletal, anything, let me tell you, you're going to spend at least, at minimum, $800 and above. Maximum, I would say $2,000. Then you have to account for your hotel rooms. Then you have to account for miscellaneous nonsense, your food, your lodging, your kids' daycare, because you can't just bring your kids into those classes. So now you got to find a babysitter either that's close to the CEU class, or you have to leave them at home with the knucklehead father, or what if he's a good dad? I'm praying he is. Or you have to leave them with the wonderful father. Not every father's a knucklehead, but if you have to leave them with somebody, now you're worried. Come on. So you have to take in consideration why you're taking these courses. Don't just do it because the massage magazines tell you to, or it's glamorous and it looks great. No, don't do that. My classes are affordable. They're in and out. They're all hands-on. There's no boring lectures. We all have lives, and I'm not here to mess up yours or to keep you from your family. Most of these CEUs are a week long. Some are 2 weeks long. And if you take some super advanced classes like Sadesco training, or if you go overseas like the Thai schools, those are 9 or 90 days, 3 months. That's a long training course. Some can be 6 months if you're learning certain applications. There's some sports massage classes that are actually more than a month and a half, like 6 weeks. I'm like, Jesus, just to learn. But it breaks it down to every little minute molecule, muscle, synaptic cleft, all that good stuff. So that's why they're that long. And they come with certain certifications that are 48 CEUs or 112 CEUs. That's why. So you can take these courses. They're more than 2 weeks. They're more than, man, I don't know anybody personally who can just take off work for 2 weeks and go take a course and then come right back and everything's hunky-dory or back to normal. No. It is very hard for most people to actually do that, especially if they have a family. Come on, let's be realistic. And I know you want to take those courses, and I've seen people take it all the time. Just don't put yourself in that position to where when you get back you're hurting for money. Sort of like Christmas. Everybody loses their minds just to buy somebody a gift for a couple of minutes. They open up the gift, all that trash and wrapping is all on the floor. Who cleans that up? You do. Who has the bill after that Christmas? You do. Who has all that stress and headache after Christmas? You do. I'm not here to add to your stress. I don't want to add to my stress. So I'm here to make things easy at the training academy. And I hope you guys enjoy your time here. And like I said, the longest class that you will be in school for would be 2 days. And that's because I have to teach it in 2 days because the classes are 12 CEUs. Anything above 6 CEUs, you have to technically go into a day 2. So if I'm giving a 14-hour CEU class or 12-hour, it's going to be a 2-day course. There is no 3-day course. There's no, I'm not going to hear. Plane tickets, bus tickets, train tickets, just to get here could be a fortune. Could be almost $300, $500, give or take. That's a lot of money for you to be traveling. Then hotels, food, all this other stuff. Come on. So with me, yes, everything is under $300 for the classes. You're here from 1-day courses or a 2-day course, depending on the CEUs. And it's going to be very rewarding if you think about it, because it's like, wow, I can actually just get in and get out. I don't have to sit in traffic. I don't have to go deal with X, Y, and Z. I can get my training and I'm done. And you get a certificate at the end of your training. So I'd like to welcome you again to the Wellness Training Academy.